Here are 5 pro tips for beginner Flutter developer. First one, always use a const keyword wherever there is a constant or a static type of data that will never get changed. Secondly, use a right keyword at a right places. For example, just to give a padding using a container is not right, so Flutter provide us a padding widget to do the same. Then the third, use state property the right way. So instead of simply calling setState property to update a single widget, use a stateful builder widget which has its own setState property by which only that portion of will get updated. Then the fourth, making use of stateful widget everywhere in your Flutter application is not the right way to build Flutter app, as it increases the size of your Flutter application. So instead make use of a stateless widget when you know there is no update been made by user at that widget. So the last thing is always use or create a separate method for each event of a user. For example, whenever a user press a button, there should be a separate function to handle that user action.